Hey guys, this is me Uday and you are watching Tech Surge, and in today's video I will be showing you top 5 applications that you must try. So with that being said, let's get started. So the first application in our list is Super Status Bar. So with this application you can customize the status bar of your Android device. So to use this, first you need to enable accessibilities. Now you can customize your status bar. You can slide through your status bar to adjust the brightness level. Also you can enable gestures from where you can assign different functions like function on one tap, double tap, long press and much more. You can select the indicator design, you can add a battery bar, and you can also set a custom status bar in your device. So the next application is Metropolis. This is a live wallpaper application where you get 3D live wallpapers of famous metropolis cities, and most of them are from North America only. So first you need to download these wallpapers and then you can set them as your wallpaper. Some of the wallpapers are free to download while some require premium version of this application to download. So after downloading the wallpaper, you can set it in your home screen and lock screen. So the best part of the application is that the detailing and the 3D parallax effect of the wallpaper is quite good, and this is a must have live wallpaper application which you should try right now. The next application in our list is Kuji Cam. This is a camera as well as a photo editing application where you can click some artistic photos. In this application you get a lot of filters. Some of them are available for free while some are available in the premium version of the application. So you get more options, like you can select the aspect ratio, you can enable grid, and in this application you can enable dust filters and light leaks in your photos. This application is similar to the HuziCam application which you may have used, but the best part of this application is that it has more filters and more options in the setting. Also the processing time of the photos is less as compared to HuziCam. The next application is Orange and Teal. So this is also a photo editing application where you can add filters like orange and teal in one click. First, you need to select the picture that you want to edit from your gallery. After that, you need to scroll on this. So you can see in this way you can apply filters, and not only orange and teal. This application has some more filters like aqua brown, aqua orange, coffee effects and much more. Also in the advanced option, you can adjust saturation, shadows and highlights. So this is how you can add some famous filters in your photos without downloading Lightroom presets. So the last application is Gameloft Classics. This is a gaming application in which you can play 30 plus retro games in your Android device, and it is recently released by Gameloft as they have completed their 20 years anniversary. The best part of this application is that you can enjoy old school game of different genre like arcade, adventure, sports, action and much more. Also, I have made a separate video on this application, so you can check that out as well. All the download links of the application will be given down below in the description section from where you can download them. So that's it in this video. If you enjoyed it, do give this video a like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. So thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.